Today you're behind the wheel of a 2017 Audi S6 with a 4-liter turbocharged 8-cylinder. This produces 450 horsepower. Its 0 to 60 time is 4 seconds, so that's good and fast. Plenty of power, all-wheel drive. And a cool story about this car: it came from California originally, so its origin is the West Coast. Ended up in Nebraska before, and then lastly Milwaukee. Has 4 owners, 60,000 miles, still in excellent condition. I'll show you the interior in some of these shots. But this is actually owned last by a race car driver that runs in the 24 Hours of Lemons. So if you know what that is, it's pretty cool, and mostly driven by a lot of engineers, these Audis. Some of the things I do like about Audi and Volkswagen product is the laser welding on the roof. It's more structural integrity. Usually other manufacturers do spot welds along this, and then they, cover it up with a piece of plastic. But I do like the laser welding on the Audi Volkswagen product. So let's take you through the gears in this 2017 S6. Hope you're having a great weekend. Fast, and that exhaust sounds awesome. That's going to be a ton of fun for someone.